Behold, the elevators at the Sales 2 condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. These are Delaware elevators. Oh look, I think the cabs are gonna get renovated. Let's go to 7. What's with the green lights on this lantern? Set that motor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Set this one down. What's this? Shine a little. Oh well. I'm gonna call the other one. Over there must be Camelot Towers. Oh, ew! Look at this. Wow, this water's disgusting. Oh, here's the other one. What the? It doesn't light up either. Oh well. Let's go back to lobby. Now we get a cab view. Sweet cabs. I mean, can't believe that the floor is going to be fixed up now. Also, your certificate will have your home emergency home button, and your capacity is about, I think, 2,500 pounds. 4. 30. 2. 1. That's lobby. I like innovation security buttons. To go indeed. Let's watch it close. That's it.